In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Microsoft Copilot Notebook for your larger projects. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to copilot.microsoft.com. This is the main website where you can access Microsoft Copilot and its different workspace options. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct site and that everything is fully visible on your screen, especially the navigation area at the top. Next, sign in with your personal or work Microsoft account. Signing in is important because it unlocks the full set of features and allows you to use the platform more effectively. If you are not already signed in, look for the sign in option and complete that step before moving forward. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to access the notebook experience. After signing in, look at the top navigation bar. You should see different options there, including the standard chat view. Find the notebook tab next to chat and click on it. This is the area designed to help you work with longer prompts and larger ideas in a more organized way, which makes it especially useful for bigger writing, planning, or research tasks. When the notebook view opens, move your attention to the text panel on the left side of the screen. This is where you can type or paste your detailed prompt. The panel supports up to 18,000 characters, so you have plenty of space to provide context, instructions, or background information for the task you want Copilot to help with. In general, the clearer and more specific your prompt is, the more useful your result will be. Once your prompt is ready, click the Submit arrow at the bottom of the panel. This sends your request to Copilot and starts the response generation process. Depending on the length and complexity of your prompt, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to finish. When the response appears, review your generated content on the right side of the screen. This is where Copilot displays the output based on the prompt you entered. Read through it carefully and check whether it matches your goal, tone, or structure. If you want to improve the result, go back to the original prompt on the left panel and edit it directly there, then click Submit again to refine the output. This is one of the most useful parts of Notebook because you can keep improving your prompt without creating a long chat that you'll read, which helps keep your work clean and organized. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Microsoft Copilot Notebook to organize your ideas and create better content.